Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install Docker for Windows 10 or 11. So first you are going to open your browser, any browser that you are using. For me I'm using Google Chrome, and then in the search bar you are going to type Docker. Then you will find the first official website, and make sure to use the official website when you download it. And then as you can see here, there is some options. There is the install Docker desktop or Docker desktop. You can choose whatever that you want, or you can just simply access the official website, then you choose whatever that you want to do. So for us, shortly we are going to click in install Docker, and here as you can see here, there is the version of the Microsoft Store. You can just click here, or you can just click here. So let's try this one. And then as you can see here, there is the download. You can just click download here, or you can view it in the store. And then you just click on install, and it will be installed automatically for your laptop, and you can use it. There is nothing to click or to set up after the download is finished. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.